In the complex world of artificial intelligence technologies, let's examine what GANs and GPTs are. Generative AI models employ various technical approaches and techniques to generate new content. Two commonly used methods are generative adversarial networks, GANs, and generative pre-trained transformers, GPTs. The term deep fakes is colloquially used to describe machine-generated images, videos, and audio that appear highly realistic, and these fall under the broader category of generative AI. Let's first discuss generative adversarial networks, GANs. Deepfakes are often created using GANs. GANs are a type of generative AI model that consists of two components, a generator and a discriminator. The generator learns to create new content, such as images or videos, based on patterns it learns from training data. The discriminator, on the other hand, tries to distinguish between the content generated by the generator and real data. Through an adversarial training process, the generator and discriminator continuously improve their performance, leading to the creation of more realistic and convincing content. GANs have been widely used for tasks like image synthesis, video and audio generation. For example, a GAN could be trained on a dataset of images of human faces. The generator component will then generate new synthetic faces based on the patterns and features it has learned, while the discriminator component will try to differentiate between the AI-generated faces and real human faces. Over time, the GAN improves its ability to generate increasingly realistic human faces that are often indistinguishable from real ones.
The global artificial intelligence governance market is on the brink of explosive growth, set to soar from $890 million in 2025 to an astonishing $5.7 billion by 2029. That's an unmatched annual growth rate of over 45%, making AI governance the gold rush profession of the decade. This isn't just a career opportunity. It's your chance to become a credible strategic human in the loop, shaping how artificial intelligence, law, and ethics converge to impact our world. Don't get left behind. Visit lawtificialintegrity.ai and claim your place in the AI governance revolution.
Now, let's discuss generative pre-trained transformers, GPTs. GPTs are another class of generative AI models that utilize transformer architectures. These models are pre-trained on large datasets, such as text corpora, and learn to generate text that is coherent and contextually relevant. GPTs employ self-attention mechanisms to capture the relationships between words or tokens in a text sequence, and generate new text based on the patterns observed in the training data. They have been successfully used for tasks like language generation, text completion, and even dialogue systems. For instance, a GPT-based language model could be trained on a vast amount of news articles. The model would learn the statistical patterns and structures of the language used in these articles. It could then generate new text based on a given prompt or context, producing coherent and contextually appropriate sentences or paragraphs. Deepfakes, as mentioned earlier, fall under the umbrella term of generative AI. They refer to machine-generated content, such as images, videos, or audio, that is manipulated to appear highly realistic. Deepfakes often use GANs as the underlying technology. By training a GAN on a large dataset of real images or videos, it can learn to generate synthetic content that closely resembles the original, resulting in highly convincing but artificially created media. It is important to note that while deepfakes have garnered attention for the potential misuse, generative AI, as a whole, has a wide range of applications beyond deepfakes. It has significant potential in creative fields, data augmentation, content generation, and more. In summary, the responsible and ethical use of generative AI, including deepfakes, is crucial to mitigate the risks associated with the technology.
Please hit like, leave comments, share and subscribe to Lawtificial Integrity. We want the YouTube algorithm to absolutely love us. Explore the future at lawtificialintegrity.ai. Because artificial intelligence needs human integrity,